What's going on, guys? Steve Sand here with Beyond the Bill.
Sorry.
There's Bay, and we're heading to Cars and Coffee Diamond Bar. Let's go. Burp. Burp again. One more. That is a nice shirt. Ooh. 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 Oh, double sole. It's just, I'm not gonna wipe her down because she's already kind of clammy. The most exciting part of the day, getting gas. Oh, representing the brand.
It's always packed. Joe?
That Joe?
No.
Joe?
That's not Joe. Oh, he tall.
Oh, that's a tall boy.
Oh, he tall. Made it. Now it's time to find parking, which might take a minute. But we're here. Thank you.
Yeah, we made it. Parking.
Yay! We found parking pretty quickly.
We did. We actually have to buy rice. It's perfect that we're right here by H Mart. We really do have to buy rice though.
We're out of rice.
We
at
actually
home.
need to buy rice.
One thing I'd like to say about these diamond bars, cars and coffee is shout out to the cops here because they're really cool and they know about all this and they approve. Which is nice for all the car enthusiasts here. So we don't need to be scared.
You actually need to save that water for in case if I overheat. I'm just kidding. Oh, so cute. Cute. There's Sally. There's Bay. Oh. Interior is really clean on this Bay. Oh, Stancy boy. Oh my gosh. I really want to get a drift before you look at it. I like how they set a line right here for the fuel line. Oh, it's right hand drive. Holy crap. Damn, this is proper. Finnegan too?
Just kidding, I'm not that cool.
We should bring Finn and Finn. Okay. Ooh, Lord. Alright, starting to become a tradition. Coconut water.
And kimbap.
It's time to walk and eat. Where? You want to move the Z? What are these REs? Yo, the Volks. Look at these Volks, though. Everyone got Volks, fam. But you? Lambo doors, though, fam. Is that a Supra? Damn, bro. Am I still dry? No. Some pie cutters and noodles. Oh, that fender though, what happened? Oh, it's okay. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Baby! Ah, Notorious VQs. Have a truck. Company truck. Oh, look at these dice. Come on, hard flexing, bro.
Look at the upholstery. I like it.
Huh. You see this paint on this 300? Holy crap, even the carbon fiber. That is not bad, actually. TE, bro. Clean. I love polished. I mean, you know, guys, should I do this to the Z or not? Just kidding.
So cute.
Hey, man. Love your work, bro.
Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Love, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you. I swear this looks like... Is that Joe? That is Joe. It is Joe. Hi, Joe. What's up, bro? Where you going, man? You headed out already?
Yeah.
Sick.
Go shopping.
Oh, right on. Well, good to see you guys, man. Shoot. Yeah. Wagon. There goes my hero. Watch him as he goes by Joe. I miss you. Look at this doctor. GTR.
Yeah. Super sparkly.
64? 66? 64. 64? 67? Really clean, man. Love it, brother. What is that? What is that? Oh. Oh, what is that?
Standing and watching.
Where's it going? Whoa! Oh, you can't even see in the carbon fiber. This is actually a first for me. I've never seen like decal inside carbon fiber. I don't know if it's a part of the weave or if it's... I really want to touch it, but I'm not going to. But I don't know, you guys.
Part of it.
I think it's a part of the weave, huh? Oh, look, if you come at this angle, you see
Yeah.
how smooth it is. I think they probably put the decal and then they put a clear over it, but that's actually pretty nuts.
It's not just later on. That's how you know when we're gonna get old and start getting a Filipino accent.
Huh? Uh-oh. Deep Filipino accent? What do you think about these walks by guys out in Nazi? I don't know if I can pronounce it right. Bozazuku? 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 What puppy?
We can catch up to him.
Nani?
He's driving through the parking lot.
Sal, come back!
He went that way.
Oh, Sal's parking spot.
Salvador.
That's Sal's parking spot. He really has a parking spot there.
What?
Must be nice TFTI, NBN. Mustang. Sal. Sal. Oh my gosh, is that Sal? Is that Sal? Oh. What's up, bro? Oh, cabbage. That's Sal. Make sure you follow him on TikTok. He's famous. Make sure you follow him on Instagram too. Sick build. Clean. Stay tuned for the in-depth interview with his build because it's clean AF. And
he's our buddy.
It's Fwen. It's a Fwen. Look at them, my puppies. Cosmos gang. Okay, we're actually gonna get groceries now and start to pack it up. It's getting,
Can't get too much though. It needs to fit in the trunk.
yeah, it's getting whole, and we'll do that. I think we're recording them, right? Aww. What happened? Who did it? Aww. It's all good, man. It's all good.
Like, can I ride in it?
Part of the build.
Can I ride in it while you drive?
Hey, I sound like that too. Turn on the car. That me too. Sponsored by H Mart. I'm just at H Mart, please sponsor us. Shout out to H Mart, grocery getter, rice, lunches for the week. About to make some curry. Grocery getter. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. We had a great time at Cars and Coffee Diamond Bar. So yeah, great time seeing all the builds and all that kind. Sally drove. Saw some friends.
Yeah.
Saw some friends. Sal. Cherry Bomb Uzi. Joe. Alright. That's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. New video every Tuesday. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.